Hello friends, welcome to NodeCode. In this session, we will see how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows machine. How to install Eclipse IDE? First, we will go to this given below link. From there, we will download the installer and we will choose the specific Java Developer ID and we will begin the installation process. In the browser, just write Eclipse download. As soon as you write Eclipse download and press enter, you will see www.eclipse.org. Click on this first link provided. It will take you to the page of download. I will provide this link in the description box also. Now scroll the page down. You will see Eclipse IDE download from this button. Click. It will take you to the other page. It says all downloads are provided under the term and condition of the Eclipse Foundation Software User Agreement unless otherwise specified. Simply click on this download button and the download will begin. Okay, as you can see, this download has started. It will take about 20 seconds. So just wait. Okay, now this installation, this is downloaded. I'll go to show in a folder where this is setup is installed. Simply double click on this folder. As soon as you click on this folder, you will see a dialog box like this, Eclipse installer. Wait for seconds. Okay. Now this box will appear. Okay, pay attention to this box. It says Eclipse IDE for Java developers. If you scroll down, you will see there are various IDs. IDs for enterprise and web development, IDs for C++ development, IDs for PHP development. But we are doing Java development, so we will just simply click on this. So as you click on this, you will see it is doing the setup is getting itself populated. We do not have to touch anything here. Just simply click on install button. This installation will take some time. Have patience and do not click cancel installation. Okay, when installation is completely successful, now this green button launch, click on this launch. Now Eclipse is installed in our machine successfully. So it will ask you for a default directory or the workspace. So workspace is a space where you will keep all your folder, where you will create all your programs. So by default it is getting populated. I will just click on launch. Otherwise you can create a new folder and browse through this button. Just launch in my case. As soon as I do launch, it is starting the Eclipse IDE. So friends, Eclipse has been successfully installed in our machine. Now here you can see create a new Java project. So what we'll do, we will create a first Java project. We will go to this file, go to file, new and Java project. Under the project name, write node code, next and finish. Okay. As soon as we do finish, we will see node code project has been created. When you will click this, you will see JRE system libraries and SRC source folder. I will create a package under this. Let me go to the file, new package, let's say com.notecode.learn. Okay, new package has been created. Under this package, we will create a new class file. Okay, now under this class file, let me say first program. Okay, now it's showing which method steps would you like to create. So I want to create a simple program. I will click on this public static void main. Click finish. Now click to backspace. Let me write a simple statement. You can simply use this button to run. Click on OK, and you will see a console like this. Hello world getting printed. Thank you friends for watching this video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe our channel for further update.